headstands. Headstand is basically an advanced posture which is also known as Shirshasana. Now if you are that kid who would chill in some weird positions where the body will be hanging down, the head will be down from the bed or the sofa, or you would like to chill with your legs up the wall, this would be a little easier for you because of the feeling of the sensation of the rush of the blood towards your head. Now for those who have never chilled that way, I suggest you try doing that, because that will give you a basic idea of how it's going to feel during the practice also of the headstand. Now for me it was more comfortable because I was familiar with that feeling. So basically what we're going to do is build the foundation for the inversion. Now headstand is a complete inversion posture. So what we're going to do is we're going to try out some easier versions which are basically half inversions. Also headstand being an advanced asana, it requires certain amount of arm strength, core strength. That said, practicing for headstand will help you build that arm strength and the core strength that is required to hold the headstand. Now first things first, let's start with the first foundation pose, which is downward facing dog. To begin in downward dog, what you're going to do is begin in the tabletop position. This position is known as the tabletop position. Remember, the back won't be arching like this, the back has to be in neutral. The core, that is the tummy, will be tucked in. So you see this, the tailbone is tucked in. Okay? From here, you can take your hands a little forward from the shoulder line, and what you're going to do is curl your toes under. This is curling the toes under, and you're going to press on the toes and the arms and lift the hips up. Alright, this is what you're going to do. Now this may feel very advanced for your calf. Your legs may be straining a lot. So you come down and you're going to go into that again. So now you know what it's going to feel like. So that is what we are going to try and ease into. Alright. So begin in tabletop. Curl your toes under. Press on your arms and your toes. Lift your knees up and hip towards the sky. Now here, try bending one knee and then another, again and another. Remember, if your heels don't touch the ground, that is alright. Keep your knees bent. This is what we are feeling for right now. You need to feel, you'll feel a gentle or maybe too much stretch on your back of the thighs or the calf. Keep breathing. Remember to keep bending one knee and then the other. Take a few breaths here. If you feel comfortable, you can come to a stillness. Remember to keep the tummy tucked in. Come down, raise your knees and relax in child's pose. This is the first asana. The second posture is the dolphin pose. We begin in tabletop again. Now we place our elbows just where the palm is. So here we are going to do the same thing that we did in the downward dog. We are going to curl the toes under and lift our knees up. Now this is going to give you a more advanced feeling of how the inversion is going to feel like, because the body weight comes towards your head here. So you maintain this posture. Again, try to ease in. Your legs are shaking. Feel that plant. Breathe. Breathe in. And breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax in child's pose. Alright, so these are two basic asanas that will help you prepare for the headstand. If this feels very advanced, I want you to take your time, just try to ease into that pose, prepare your arms, prepare your body for that inversion. don't rush into the headstand, because there's no fun in doing the headstand once and then not being able to do it again, because you may injure yourself, you may strain some muscle in the neck or your arm. So what you can do is you can build the strength, you can prepare your body so that you can just do the headstand whenever you want to and as many times as you want to. Okay, so until then, keep practicing the downward dog and the dolphin pose. These two asanas will help you build the arm strength as required, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy.